Today we are starting section 5.4 conduct of monetary policy. የገንዘብ ፖሊሲ ምግባር. Why is conducting monetary policy difficult? ለምንድን ነው የገንዘብ ፖሊሲን መምራት አስቸጋሪ የሆነው? Policy makers face difficulties in influencing the final objectives or targets of central bank due to existence of time lags and monetary transmission mechanism. ፖሊሲ አውጪዎች በሁለት ዋና ምክንያቶች ይቸገራሉ። እነሱም ኤክስቴንስ ኦፍ ታይም ላግ እና ሞኔታሪ ትራንስሚሽን ሜካኒዝም ይባላሉ። So today we will focus on those problems. ስለዚህ 5.41 lags in monetary policy ምን ማለት ነው? There are two types lags in conduct of stabilization policy. የስታቢላይዜሽን ፖሊሲን